Hi, my name is Ryan Fred and I'm with Real Property Management Ignite. And today we're talking about something that every homeowner in Central Oregon needs to do before the cold really sets in: winterizing your home. As a property manager here in Central Oregon, I've seen firsthand how a few simple steps can save homeowners thousands of dollars in repairs each winter. So let's dive into how to protect your home and your wallet from freezing temperatures. Here in Central Oregon, we get cold nights, snow, and freezing temperatures that can wreak havoc on your home if you're not prepared. Winterizing isn't just about staying warm, it's about preventing costly damage like burst pipes, roof leaks, and even mold from moisture buildup. A few hours of prep can save you from dealing with emergency repairs later. So let's start with the most important steps. So the number one thing you need to do is protect your pipes. Frozen pipes are one of the most common and expensive problems for homeowners. Start by disconnecting any garden hoses, turning off exterior faucets. If your home has a sprinkler system, make sure it's properly drained or blown out by a professional. Inside, insulate pipes in unheated areas like garages, attics, or crawl spaces. And if you're planning to go away for an extended period, keep your thermostat set somewhere between 55 and 60 degrees to prevent pipes from freezing. Next up, check your heating system. Have your furnace or heat pump inspected before the coldest weather hits. A professional tune-up will make sure it's running efficiently and safely. Replace your air filters every 1 to 3 months. It's a simple step that just kind of helps the system keep working efficiently and helps you save on energy costs. If you have tenants, make sure they know how to use the thermostat properly, and also remind them not to turn the heat completely off when they leave for the weekend. Drafty windows and doors can drive up your energy bills fast too, so walk around the home and check for cold air coming in. Use weather stripping or caulk to seal any gaps. If your home has older windows, maybe consider using plastic insulation kits or thermal curtains to keep the heat in and the cold out. Now this next one is a big one. Check your roof and your gutters. Before the snow starts piling up, make sure your roof is in good shape and that your gutters are clean and draining properly. Clogged gutters can and will lead to ice dams when the weather gets cold. This causes water to back up under your shingles, and that can lead to serious leaks and interior damage. Also look for missing shingles, loose flashing. Just get it fixed now before it becomes a winter emergency. Also, don't forget about the outside of your home. Bring in garden hoses, shut off irrigation systems, and store outdoor furniture with a cover on it or weatherproof covers. We also recommend trimming any overhanging trees or branches that will break under the weight of the snow and ice. And if you have any decks or walkways, check for cracks, loose boards that could become dangerous when it's icy. And finally, let's talk safety. Make sure your smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors are working, especially if you use gas heating or a fireplace in the home. It's also a good idea to reverse your ceiling fans to push the warm air down, and consider installing a programmable thermostat to keep your home energy efficient all winter long. So to recap, insulate your pipes, service your heating system, seal up those drafts, clean the gutters, prep your yard, and check your safety devices. You do the 6 things, and your home will be ready to handle whatever Oregon's winter throws your way. If you're a homeowner or investor who wants expert help maintaining your property year-round, especially through the winter, please reach out to Real Property Management Ignite. We help Central Oregon homeowners protect their investments with proactive maintenance, seasonal inspections, and 24/7 support for tenants in emergencies. Visit rpmignite.com or give us a call today to learn how we can help keep your home safe, warm, and winter ready.